Hello from Le Manoir des Cedres. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick. We've just arrived at Le Manoir des Cedres, a place that we're going to stay for the next 3 days in the Dordogne region. Our first impressions are, it looks really peaceful.
I should be here with a lover and not a friend.
I can be my lover, can be friends. The grounds are absolutely gorgeous. I'm hoping that Sarah might go swimming later. I have to say this looks very fancy. I'm looking forward to it. The reception looks very nice. We're going to get checked in now and go to our rooms. So we're looking forward to that.
Si vous voulez laisser des bagages dans le couloir, pas de problème. Vous voyez cette rampe ici? Si vous continuez, vous avez une terrasse couverte. L'accès au petit déjeuner, c'est par là. Les chaises vertes là-bas, c'est l'accès à la piscine. Donc madame à la 10.
Et moi à 11. Okay.
Les portes sont ouvertes.
D'accord.
Donc vous voyez, cette petite clé va vous permettre de fermer cette porte ici.
Ok.
Du coup, tout cet espace peut être utilisé pour laisser des bagages à l'extérieur, si vous préférez. Donc ça, c'est votre clé à vous. Donc si vous utilisez celle-ci, les clés, vous n'en avez pas besoin, vous avez juste besoin de cette petite clé.
Ok.
Et je vous montre. Je vous montre comment se parler dames.
Oui.
C'est ouvert, madame. C'est ouvert.
It's already open.
Oh, lovely.
Donc je vous montre ici le système avec la perche.
Oui.
Donc, vous pouvez occulter totalement.
Ok.
Et si vous voulez ouvrir le Dalux, excusez-moi, je ne suis pas très grande moi non plus, on tire et on tire. Quand vous voulez refermer, il y a 2 crans pour éviter le bruit.
You need to listen to 2 phrases. Yeah.
On y va franchement comme ça. Do you want me to open it?
Yes, please.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Merci beaucoup, à bientôt. What do you think?
It's fabulous. I was expecting a pokey hole. I was. I want to see yours now. It's massivo.
Well,
It's practically the same. It's just a bigger bed.
yeah.
Do you like it?
I think it's lovely. Now, what she explained to us is that this door here, we can lock and we can keep the doors between us open.
Oh, perfect.
But that's not going to happen. Welcome to room 11 at Le Manoir des Cedres. Come on in. This is one of the smaller rooms that's available here at the hotel. I called up to see if they had availability and they were almost apologetic that this was all that they had left. But although it isn't a massive room, it's plenty big enough to have a double bed in it, so I'm pretty pleased with that. Let's do a quick room tour. Over here there's a wardrobe with extra pillows. Extra pillows. And a comfy blanket if you need that. Although it's warm enough, I don't think that I'm going to need that. There is a little television. This is petite, on the petite side. There's a large roof window which opens right down, and there's a darkening blind that's built into it. So I think that's going to be just fine. There is separately air conditioning in the room. You might notice that we're very close, if the light changes, you might notice that we're very close to a road. It's not super busy. I might be conscious of it, so I'll keep an eye on that and see what it's like. Let's see what the bed is like. Comfortable. And there's extra pillows, so you know I'm going to be happy with that. Although, with my white t-shirt, I'm matching into the bed a little bit too much for this film. Over here, there's a place to put my bag. There's a small desk, and there's obviously a telephone, but also a kettle, 2 cups, and the makings of some coffee and tea. I like that. And in the car, I always keep little extra milks so that I can make a nice cup of tea. Of course, I forgot to bring those in from the car, so that's something that I need to do. There seem to be plenty of lights going on. Light it up. The pillows are squishy, microfiber, and you know I like that. The bathroom is small, but I think it's perfectly formed. I have to say, it smells super fresh. I'm putting you up high. Over here there is a toilet for the production of toilet-related facilities, a large towel area, a sink here The sink's really big actually. Over here there's a hairdryer, plenty of TP, and some proper glasses. So I guess if you've bought some cheap wine at the local supermarket, you're going to be sorted. Underneath the sink, they've left enough towels for 2 days, and they've said that they'll come in every day and change things if that's what we want, or if we don't want that, they'll happily just leave over some extra towels. This is the shower. It's like a little private shower unit built into a cubby hole, and I think that looks plenty comfortable. It's going to be more than big enough for me and smells great. Overall, I'm really happy with things so far. We're going to go and take a walk around the grounds and see what those look like, so let's go do that next.
Hi, here we are at Le Piscine, which hopefully we will be relaxing at later on, or maybe tomorrow if the sun shines. Hopefully.
They've got these little private sunbathing areas that you can keep to yourself and your lover, or friend, or Sarah. Everyone needs their own private Sarah. They're already making the film My Own Private Idaho with my own private I'm a hoe. These are the cedars from where the manor gets its name, Le Manoir des Cedres. But look how magnificent this trunk is. Trunky. I think what we're seeing down here is maybe a wedding venue that's closed up at the minute, but it looks like all the sides open up, and if it was a sunny day, wouldn't it be a lovely place to have a party and be able to come out here and run around on the grass? And that's not just the kids. Here's Sarah running to some horse music. I'm perfectly willing to get married here. We just need to find somebody to get married to. YouTubers, I'm available.
Well, well.
Depending on when this comes out, she may or may not be available. This is us looking a little bit swit-swoo on our way down to dinner, so we're looking forward to that and to a nice relaxing evening. We're going to try a drink that's based on nuts. Sarah's very fond of
Nuts.
no, of an aperitif, so
Salud.
let's see what it's like. It's a little bit sweet. It's light.
It's kind of in between a port and a sherry. Oh, she probably wants you to drink your aperitif first.
Yeah, she's right.
And then wash your palate. Like, to be honest.
Salade composée. Une verrine de fruits de mer. Oui, c'est ça. What do you think?
It's very interesting.
I had an absolutely great sleep here in Le Manoir des Cedres. Now I'm going to go and try the breakfast. It's a very wet day today. Let's have a look out through the square window. But it's still nice and warm, and I'm hoping there's something tasty. Let's go and have a look at it. So now it's time for the goods and bads of Le Manoir des Cedres. Let's start with the goods.
Really nice room, I have to say. Loving the pool. The pool is absolutely beautiful. Fabulous restaurant attached to the property. Close to lots of other villages that you can go and visit.
I thought the bed was very comfortable. I slept super well. Great pressure in the shower. Lots of pillows. Sleepy time. And the grounds are just gorgeous.
Stunning.
Negatives.
Wardrobe is too short for my dresses and I'm not a very big person, so that's a bit of a downer.
Sarah loved the restaurant. I thought, this has been a great stay. The grounds are fantastic. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Planet Patrick. We hope you can join us again soon in the next one. Bye bye.
Au revoir.
I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick.